Today we pause not simply because a great artist has passed, but because a great soul has completed his earthly journey. We pause to honor a man whose voice, music, and spirit carried his nation far beyond its shores, long before the world truly knew our name. Today we honor the Honorable James Jimmy Cliff Chambers Order of Merit, a cultural giant, a pioneer, and one of the most important builders of Jamaica's global identity. Jimmy Cliff was more than a singer. He was more than a songwriter. He was more than an actor. He was more than a performer. Jimmy Cliff was a messenger, one who carried the story of this small island with all its struggles, resilience, faith, and beauty to the widest possible audience, and ensured that Jamaica was heard, recognized, and respected.